Buckle up, folks. We're jet setting to Belém, a vibrant city in the state of Pará, Brazil, boasting an impressive population of nearly 2 million. Belém is a city of wonders waiting to be explored. Cultural fact 1, Belém is known for Chirio de Nazaré, one of the largest Catholic processions in the world. Cultural fact 2, the city's marketplace, Vero Peso, is a culinary treasure trove, offering exotic fruits and fish found nowhere else. Cultural fact 3, Belém is the birthplace of Carimbo, a lively folk dance that's sure to get your feet tapping. Now for the weird and wonderful, weird fact 1. Belém's Rainforest Zoo, Emilio Geldi, houses a meteorite that weighs a whopping 5 tons. Weird fact 2, in Belém, you can find the world's smallest skyscraper, the Geldi Building. Weird fact 3, it's a city where trees have their own zip codes. Yes, you heard it right. There you have it. A quick snapshot of Belém. Intrigued? Want to know more? Follow me on Instagram, Mr.Gurgels, for more fun facts and travel trivia. See you there.